Okay, good morning and welcome to New Inbox. Today we're gonna look at the Porsche Turbo RSR Type 924, part number 84431. Okay, here we have the box. Nice picture outside. This is 40 years of Tamiya RC. This is 40 years since they made the first one, 58001. It was the Valiant version, but it was a different chassis, a different size. It was 1/12, and it was the green one. And this is a 110 on the TA02 SW chassis, the short and wide version. You can see it here. Yes. Okay. I like the box. And it's LED lights included. Okay, let's open this one. Okay, here you can see. Okay, plastic parts. Okay, there's something for the steering and some other chassis parts. Steering, yes. Okay. More plastic. Here we have what we have here, body mounts. We have suspension parts, servo parts maybe. Okay, we'll look at that later. Okay, here we have the LED light kit. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, here. Okay, we'll look at that later. Wow. It gets stuck. Okay, I'll look at that one later. Okay, sponge for the tires. Okay, more plastic parts. Okay, gearbox. There's the hexes and other suspension part, the uprights. Okay, more parts. Okay, motor mount, gearbox parts, maybe another damper towers, maybe some battery for the battery. Okay, let's open the parts bag. Okay, here we have some gears, differential. Here we have more. It's for the dampers. Okay, here we have more ball bearings, bevel gears, some bolts and nuts and other parts. Okay, here we have part bag number C. It's oil, springs, and for the drive shaft. Okay, here we have, okay, damper towers. Yes, still more parts, dampers. Okay, part bag number A, Loctite, the grease, and aluminum motor mounts, and damper towers in not in carbon but in FRP, fiber reinforced plastic. Okay, here we have more ball bearings, body clips, screws. Yeah, and the shaft. Yeah, drive shaft. Okay, steering. Okay, and the 540 silver can. Okay, more some suspension parts here. the shiny parts, the lights, the blinkers, the rear light, and the spoiler, the mirrors. Maybe need to paint it. It's orange, but not the correct orange. Okay, let's look at the tires. Narrow ones in the front and the wide ones in the back. That's nice. Wow. The wheels. This is 3-piece or 2-piece wheels. Wide ones. I like those wheels. I only need to maybe cut this to get it correct, or maybe paint something in the center sometimes. Okay, whoops. Okay, look at there's some extra parts, screws and bolts and things. Okay. Sorry. Okay, here's the chassis parts, the upper chassis and the lower chassis. This is, oh careful, this is not carbon, but it's FRP, fiber reinforced plastic. This looks nice, nice and shiny. This is the upper chassis part. Okay, focus. Look at the paperwork. Okay, this is about how to mount the LED lights. Okay, this one, oops. Okay, here are some information about correction, about the steering servo, and the links. Okay, the main manual. The Jegermeister version. Okay, gearbox. Okay, here we have a suspension part, how to mount the engine. Okay, servos. Dampers. This is how to cut and paint and apply the stickers. There's some information. Okay, and here are all the parts. Okay, the window mask. See the. This is nice, Jegermeister. Nice parts, nice stickers. I hate all the window to cut all the window trims, but okay. Okay, here's the nice Porsche. This is a 934, is the racing version of the 911 Turbo. Came out in 1976, I think. No. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. I think that's all for today. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.